Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports on Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went towards Eidgah, a vast ground for performing prayer, and passed by the women. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O women, you should give alms as I have seen mostly you in hell." They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why is it so?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Due to your frequent cursing and showing ingratitude to the husbands. I have never seen anyone deficient in intellect and religion who overpowers a sensible man as you do." They said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is the deficiency in our religion and intellect?" He said, "Isn't the evidence of two women equal to that of one man?" They submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "This is the deficiency in your intelligence. Isn't it that you neither perform prayer nor do keep fast during your menstrual period?" They said, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "This is the deficiency in your religion." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 304.